Hello, welcome to the Helpful Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take the blade off of a lawnmower. So first, you need a 5/8 inch impact resistant socket, otherwise you'll strip your socket. And second, you need a solvent. So take the solvent, pour it on there, make sure you cover it real good. You see it's really rusty. Let it soak for a few seconds. Then you take your 5/8 inch socket, then you can get it to the point where you can take your hand and loosen it. Then what you do is you take your spacer, if you have one, and you put it right back on here. Take the nut, line it up, Thank you for watching the Helpful Channel. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another video.